Hello everyone, welcome to AWS EKS Black Belt course by Kubernetes.io. My name is Said and I will be with you during this one-year program to teach you how to work with AWS EKS service. AWS EKS is an AWS managed Kubernetes service which helps you to deploy production grade Kubernetes cluster with ACE as well as integrating Kubernetes with other AWS managed services. Although EKS is completely managed by AWS, it has many challenges when you want to work with EKS in production environments. So the goal of this course is to provide all the necessary things to up and running EKS and tell you about the challenge and show you and teach you the solutions, the best practices, and all the things you need to know to run EKS at a scale in enterprises at production grade level. The course is completely free, and thanks to AWS to support Kubedemy to make us able to provide you this free course. And you can enroll to this course by going to Kubedemy.io website and go to the AWS EKS Black Belt course page, and then you will find the registration form. And after registering to the course, you will be able to read the contents, read the articles, access to the videos, access to the course materials. And the good thing is, in addition to providing you all the AWS CLI commands to deploy Kubernetes, deploy the requirements, deploy the worker nodes, and all other things, we provide you all the Terraform codes, OpenTofu codes, CloudFormation, Ansible, Pulumi, and other IAC tools code to help you work with EKS and related technologies in an automated way and deploying your environment through automation. The course contains 54 main articles supported by AWS as well as many other articles supported by our content sponsors. And in the main articles, 54 articles, we talk about especially about Kubernetes and EKS, and to teach you all the options and all the challenges and all the things you need to know about deploying Kubernetes with EKS, deploying worker nodes in a different ways, in a public subnet, in a private ones, with a private link, in an air-gap environment, deploying ARM-based worker nodes, deploying add-ons, upgrading cluster without downtime, and using different storage and many other things. And in addition to main articles, we have our sponsors, and we teach you about enterprise tools and technologies can be integrated with your EKS to provide you some security layers, provide you security in your supply chain, provide you some things about observation, monitoring, logging, and other things. In this page, you can support us if you or your company wants to support us, or if you have some enterprise product can be integrated to EKS, you can support us. And in this page, you can see the course topics and all the titles. Right now you can see 15 titles. We don't want to spoil all the topics at the same time, and by publishing the course articles and videos and the contents every week, we will send new titles and spoil the new titles in that page. And you can find the official GitHub repository of the course, and in that repo you can find all the materials, all the codes, and all the scripts you need to deploy all the things. And yeah, if you looking for a comprehensive course about EKS, and if you want to learn EKS in depth, join this course and enjoy. See you in the next lessons. Thanks.